Well, the name of our project is Methodology for how to convert a regular home system into a smart system using the Internet of Things and the willingness of people on doing so. So we are using a real-time database to control any devices you have at home with your smartphone. What we are showing right now is our model that was built according to a regular home system, and it represents with the green color the conventional home system, and wire color white represent the smart system that we introduced into this model. We're using the Internet of Things to control all the devices we have plugged in at home. In this example, I'm turning on my fan with my smart device and I just turn it off. Also, what we are showing in here is a light. I'm turning on my lightings at home and turn it off with my smart device. But beyond that, we wanted to do something more, so we added a three-way switch to control not only from your smart device, but also to manually turn it off. And I turn it on, and you can manually turn it off, turn it on again, and I can turn it off from my smart device. The Internet of Things is not only a cheap option for you to have at home, but is very convenient because you can incorporate within your existing electrical system.